Beautiful it is right here. Oh my word. Okay, oh, it's so windy that oh my word, taking me all the way. Oh, go away. Beautiful it is right here. Oh my word. I still haven't gone into the cafe, but I've already had an adventure today. Oh my word. My umbrella flipped over a couple of times. Or a few times actually, I think like 3 times. Because of the wind. So it's raining. So I'm underneath the bridge here. And then I missed the stop. But thank God, like I got off on the next stop and it was actually, to me it was closer and better than if I would have stopped where I was supposed to stop. So look at how beautiful it is right there. Gorgeous. And then, get over here. What? A waterfall. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, it's so cold. Oh my word. I need to take pictures from here. Look how beautiful it is right here. I hope the cafe's open. It looks like it's dark in there, so I don't know. It might be closed. I hope not. Oh well. I mean, if it is, it is. It's still worth. It was still worth the hour drive. So pretty. I'm gonna take some nice pictures over here. Oh my goodness, my camera's gonna get wet. I'm getting wet. Look how beautiful looks that way. I need to take pictures. Oh, man. And I see you're so pretty too. Oh my. I just see a train. I thought I just seen something, a bus, a train or something. I don't know. Anyway, I am here. Sitting outside in the cold, and I'm gonna have a excuse me, a lemon bar and a plum tea. There you go. So I'm at Cafe Pokpo. I don't know what that means. Waterfall maybe? I don't know. Well, it's chilly out here, but I don't care. Let's see. I kinda am. My hair ended up getting all wet. Hello. So yeah, I'm out here. Everybody's indoors, but I don't want to be indoors. Indoors I'd be like in the middle of the room, and the other people there are people by the windows, you know, and you can't really see out, to be honest with you. You have to be out here to be able to enjoy the outdoors. So anyway, right here it says, be careful of pigeon droppings. Oh no, I'm scared. So yeah. I got a nice little view. There's like plexiglass right here, and then there's an opening right there. So plexiglass and the opening. So beautiful. It looks really beautiful from here. So they do have lights that light up the waterfalls, but a young man told me he thinks they come out either at 7 or 8. It's only 6 o'clock. There's like nothing to do here. I'm already bored out of my mind. It's funny because I could spend hours and hours at a cafe with friends. One time I spent 8 hours with a friend. The first time we met. Like I could do that, but on my own at a cafe? Like, no. So I've been indoors bored out of my mind for the last 2 hours. And I come out and the lights are on. Oh my word. Maybe they've been off for a while and I didn't even know it. The young man told me it started around between 7 and 8. It's almost 8. So anyway, Jesus, I'm glad that I seen it. It's so cool. That man looks cute. That man looks cool walking down there. Oh, I don't know. He might be cute. I didn't see his face. Oh, so cool. Oh my word. And they have to walk for like, I don't know, like 12 minutes or something. Oh, praise God. I'm so glad I came out. I think they would have kicked me out anyway because it looked like a lot of people left right at 8 o'clock. So I got up like 2-3 minutes before 8 because I was like, what if they like turn them off at 8 o'clock? You know, so, oh yeah, actually they closed down the cafes. I didn't know they closed down at 8. I just got up. No, I'm walking to, where am I walking? To the bus stop, so. Oh, here's another cafe. Oh, it would have been nice to be in this one too. Okay, well, I gotta put my camera away because it's really cold and I need to know where I'm going. Oh, okay. This is so windy that oh my word, it's taking me the wrong way. Oh God, I gotta get away. Oh, I need to fix my umbrella. Oh. Seriously, I need another umbrella. This is ridiculous. Oh. Okay. Okay, so my umbrella has flipped. Oh gosh, it's flipped quite a few times today. Oh my word. Okay, so I'm walking to the bus stop. And I can't even take out won't even take out my pro camera because it's way too windy and it's crazy. I don't know where I'm going. Oh, please don't flip. Let me get another umbrella. This one has flipped one too many times. Okay, I need to see where I'm going. I don't know where I'm going. Well, there's my umbrella again, like for the millionth time. Oh my word, this is ridiculous. Yeah, that's what you get when you buy an umbrella for like $5. Oh my word. Yeah, so anyway, I'm using my cell phone. I don't even know if I was recording. So yeah, anyway, my umbrella's falling apart. I need to fix it. Yeah, that's what I get for buying a $5 umbrella. Seriously. I'm all by myself in the bus.